Hey guys, Papa D here, 15 yards, Texas Star, dual propeller, 6-arm Star. The 6-arm Star has 6-inch plates. Again, I am one short, had one miss on the 6-inch plate next to the last steel plate. That's the best I can do. Still trying to run it clean, getting so close, just not happening just yet. Running a Canik Rival S out of a black Scorpion Gear holster. Again, 15 yards. 3 different target arrays, total of 18 shots. This time it was 19 because I had a miss. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please take and give me a like, a thumbs up. Love to take and hear from you, and I will see you down the road on the next video.